To trace your plan, you want to go to add a new project, select multi-room. You can choose kind of any name you like. You want to go to this option here called upload and trace. Here we have a file, a screenshot. Now this is just a screenshot of an estate agent's plan. Estate agent plans are not renowned for being incredibly accurate, but it was just a quick and easy example to show you how this works. You want to drag the known distance line and type in the kind of known distance. So here we've got a room of 5 meters 31 wide. So I've entered the dimension underneath there. And then essentially what you're doing is you're taking your starting walls and dragging them to create the perimeter of the plan that you're going to then add your rooms within. We want to add corners and drag those additional corners into place. And then you can go around, update the thickness of all of your walls, and then it's just about adding your internal walls in place. So you can drag those, add additional ones. You can move a whole wall at a time or just by the end points. Yeah, you can get into planning your layouts.